If you like to polish your own car, this Bosch GPO 12CE professional polishing tool is the right tool for you. This model comes with the auxiliary D handle and promises 750 to 3000 RPM of constant speed and is equipped with the M14 grinding spindle thread. Let's see what's inside. Of course, it's the Bosch manual, which is very detailed, showing all the accessories and of course the safety procedures to handle this tool. Next, the included package is the polishing disc and the lamb wool bonnet for the polishing disc, and this will go inside. The polishing wool itself looks of high quality and real lamb skin, and it will be attached with the round nut later. Let's take a look at the other packages. Of course, you have a bag of tools, the round nut itself, the hand guard, the handle, and also the backing pad with hook and loop fastening tool. And this is the handle with the insulated gripping surface, and inside you'll find Allen key and the M14 to M16 conversion nut, and this is the round nut itself. And of course the hero itself, which is the polisher, weighing at 2.5 kilos. And the build quality is quite nice, and over here this red button is to lock the spindle when you want to change the polishing pad. Here are the mounting holes for the holder, and this particular piece over here is ABS plastic and it looks very strong. And this is the M14 spindle for you to attach different type of polishing pads. Over here, this is the trigger button and the red thumb wheel over here showing indication of 1 to 6 to adjust the speed of 750 to 3000 RPM. Pressing the trigger itself will turn on the unit and pushing it forward to lock it into position like this. And the speed will be constant depending on what's the speed that you select on the thumb wheel selector. The on-off trigger itself is sturdy and making it very easy to operate. And the cord itself is supplied with 4.12 meters of length, and it should be suitable for any cars. So let's try to install the auxiliary D handle, or in the manual you will say the bow handle. You just need to have two of these locking nut, which is an Allen key nut. And if you want to install the normal handle, you actually have to remove the auxiliary D handle. But I like the D handle more, and of course they remove it during packaging because it won't go into the box. So the nuts go into both left and right, and the Allen key is actually provided as well, so you can just use the Allen key to fasten the nuts. Next, we can proceed to attach the polishing disc. So you can attach the polishing disc to the nut using this round nut that is provided. Alright, just put it in, screw it tight using hand first, and then you can use the 2-pin spanner that is also provided to tighten it. And if it's moving too much, you can actually press on the locking button, the red one on the opposite side. Yeah, this one. Firmly press it down to stop it from spinning, and with that you can tighten the round nut using the 2-pin spanner. With that done, we just need to attach back the lamb wool bonnet, and this will be used for polishing. So there's this string here, you can just unfasten the string, put it over the polishing disc, and with that covered over there, you can just tighten the string again, tie it with a simple knot, and we are done. Another piece of accessory that came with the box is actually this M14 to M16 conversion nut. You can actually just attach it to the spindle, and now the spindle can accept anything that is M16 screw. For example, these third-party pads that are available online, you can easily attach it even though if it's not M14. The good thing about these pads are it's Velcro, so I can easily attach the lamb wool skin over it, or sponge polishing pads, or even other types of cloth, fabric and surface. Depending on your usage, whether you're applying some polish or buffing it up, you can just easily attach it to the Velcro and you're good to go. And after you're done, just pull it out from the Velcro and switching to another pad. Let's put the GPO 12CE Professional to work. I'm going to put some wax on the car. I'm actually not very good at it. I heard that this process is actually wrong, that I'm supposed to put the wax on the surface instead of on the sponge. So that's the problem. When I turn it on, when it's on the sponge, it's actually splattering everywhere. So I use the sponge to apply the wax evenly on the surface, gently gliding around, and the tool itself is actually very easy to handle, and it doesn't fight my force too much. And with that, I can just apply the wax evenly, crossing it left and right. Of course, for edges and at the corners, we have to be very careful because the polishing pad tends to eat away and take away the paint more obviously on the corners. So on the flat surface, it's very easy. And now we have already put it up. Let's do some sound tests. Let's attach on the lamp wool skin and then polish it up. Eventually, I finish up the entire hood of the car. Using the GPO 12CE, it makes things fun and fast and easy. And you can see the shine on the hood, and it is almost like brand new. Now, a little tip to pack up the tool. I just used one of these containers, which I got it from the supermarket. Pack it all up, and we have the tool and all the pads in one box. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel, and please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you again in our next video.